Elon Musk, leading the Department of Government Efficiency, Doge, has proposed several controversial measures to reduce U.S. government spending. Doge dividend proposal. In collaboration with President Donald Trump, Musk introduced a Doge dividend plan aiming to cut $2 trillion in federal expenditures over 18 months. 20% of these savings would be redistributed to taxpayers, equating to approximately $5,000 per household. However, experts question the feasibility of achieving such substantial cuts and the plan's ability to gain congressional approval. Additionally, the proposal's eligibility criteria might exclude many low-income families and retirees. Exclusion of government spending from GDP calculations. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, aligning with Doge's cost-cutting initiatives, suggested removing government spending from gross domestic product reports. While intended to present a clearer economic picture, this change could obscure the true impact of government expenditures, which constitute a significant portion of the GDP. Critics argue that such an exclusion might misrepresent the economy's health and the role of federal spending in economic growth. Elimination of the U.S. penny. Doge has targeted the U.S. penny, highlighting that it costs more to produce than its face value. In fiscal year 2023, the Mint produced over 4.5 billion pennies, accounting for about 40% of all coins minted for circulation. By eliminating the penny, Doge aims to reduce unnecessary government expenditure associated with its production. Reduction of federal agencies. Doge is focused on downsizing or eliminating certain federal departments deemed redundant, such as the Department of Education and the U.S. Agency for International Development, USAID. These actions aim to streamline government operations and reduce spending. Revise budget cut targets. Initially, Musk claimed that Doge could achieve $2 trillion in federal budget cuts. However, he later adjusted this target, stating that achieving $1 trillion in cuts would be an epic outcome, indicating a reassessment of the feasibility of the original goal. These proposals have sparked debates regarding their practicality and potential impacts on public services and the broader economy. If you found this content helpful, please consider subscribing and have a blessed day.